What's that quote? I believe it will rain 60%. I don't know that movie quote. My work friends say it all the time. She touches herself and says, I believe there's a 60% chance of it rain. I don't know. I have a good memory. Anyway, today's been a good day. It's been a busy day, but also not a busy day. Big shout out to all my work colleagues who put in the extra time and effort to help me move my slot car track and my wooden table. I felt like I can be pretty blunt sometimes, so I sort of might have hurt Duck's feelings. I told him, we're not true friends. We're like work friends because we never spend any time. We don't engage with each other's outside work. And he said, "Oh yeah, we do." And launch slot cars and football. It's like doesn't count. I mean, like things that proper friends do. Like you want to go to a movies or something random, something out of the blue. I don't know. I can't word it. So I felt like I hurt him a little bit there. But if you're watching this, sorry, mate. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. But I'm sure you know what I mean. It's more like an ex-boss friend relationship or a work friend relationship, I don't know, maybe I was going a bit too blunt. But I appreciate all the help that all my work friends did. Now I got that embarrassing conversation over with myself, and in case he watches. I took a bad time to go for a short walk. Also, I played a bit of Sea of Thieves with the new guy, and I don't know. No news about me. Oh, at 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't mean that rudely. Could have been 4, to be honest. No, it could have been 4, I think. My American friend rang me up. It was a really good surprise. It was a surprise, but it was a really good surprise, and I'll definitely do it again. He can ring me up anytime he wants. It's just good to talk to him. At my 4 o'clock, I think it was like his 2:33 or something like that. It was a respectable time for him, It's good to talk to him, though. That was probably the highlight of the day, to be honest, talking to him. It was just good to talk to him. But yeah, I got my big heavy wood stuff moved out the house, played a bit of World of Tanks, played a bit of Sea of Thieves, went for a walk in the rain. I don't know if I can add anything else onto it. I don't think we'll add anything more when I get home. The Afghans are still quite snobby and quiet since I pretty much said I'm moving out. So they're dead. Oh, not dead. You know what I mean. They're dead quiet. I shouldn't say they're dead. The internet can take that pretty bad. Anyway, Mum, Dad, I hope you have a safe travel to Melbourne soon to see Nonna. And I know you won't be there for long, but please say hello to her for me. I love you. Anyway, bye.